Seneca is interesting because if you take that concept and you're like, okay, how do you do like trading cards or tokens or something and express it in a way that like people who like this stuff are not the same people who are like coding all the time. I mean, there's probably an overlap, but like you got to realize that the artistic people and the creative people aren't necessarily the technical people. So you got to like meld them together. So all of these past 2 weeks with Seneca has been rewriting a lot of the stuff, making sure the interfaces are good, adding features that allow you to really quickly, I mean like super fast, create smart contracts that are expressive and allow you to do what you got to do. Like, so there's the atomic swap contract that we wrote for Ethereum was 90 lines of code, and you're able to express the same exact functionality in 30 in Seneca. So like 30 lines, that's a lot quicker, you know, it's a lot less thinking. There's a lot less that you have to be worried about in terms of like the low level code. This is a very heated debate in the entire crypto world, which is like, is it high level or low level? And Solidity is a lot lower level. You have to worry about like what types things are. You have to worry about a whole bunch of different subsets, like, okay, memory versus storage. There's a weird sort of like distinguishing aspect where you don't really know if you're new to programming. It's not easy to tell. The way we've developed it is very easy. You get a namespace of data, and you can do whatever you want in that. So you can say, I want a hash map. And a hash map is just like you map one value to another. So you map like Stuart to his balances, and that's inside of your namespace, like your smart contract memory. And everything else is just runtime stuff. So if you initialize a variable and you don't initialize like a Seneca variable, it's not getting stored. And with the Solidity, it's not quite as clear as that, but it's like you're writing to a database. Did you write it to the database? If you didn't, it's not there. It's out of memory. So that's pretty cool.